He turns the steering wheel in different directions, taking different roads when he needs to. He needs to go through the woods to get to his destination. He's confused, but not about that. What confuses him is why his sister is being so silent as she sits in the back seat. The time is currently 6:36, and he just picked up Emily from her friend Julia's house. He was thankful he didn't have to get out of the car and knock on the door, as she was already standing out in the yard, waiting for him. He had tried making conversation with her. How'd it go at Julia's? Did you have fun? Has her rabbit gotten better? But everything he said was met with silence. It weirds him out, and he grows slightly concerned. Is she okay?